Hi, it's Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. Today we are at a beautiful home located at 16 Battle Ridge Trail in Totowa, New Jersey. It is a gorgeous move-in ready home. Everything has been painted, cleaned, and all you have to do is unpack your boxes. You're gonna wanna check out this home. It has 5 huge bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an in-ground pool, a tennis court. It has it all. Check this home out, jocelynsellsnj.com. Give us a call if you want a private tour or virtual tour, and we look forward to helping you and serving you. Remember, who you work with matters. We'll talk to you soon. Check out this beautiful home.